Okay, I thought I'd talk a little bit this morning about a doctrine called Donatio Mortis Causa. Now, what that means is effectively a gift in contemplation of your death. So it's another happy little subject, a bit like what I covered last time with Comorientes. So essentially, DMC, Donatio Mortis Causa. So what are the rules here? Well, the rules are simple. Firstly, if you're going to transfer property, you've got to do it following the right formalities, especially land. But there is a way around that, and that is if you give a gift in contemplation of your death. Now, this all comes from Roman law, which is very interesting because English law is not based on Roman law. It's based on common law. But this one we do borrow from Roman law. And it's all about centurions, soldiers, going off to fight their battles. And this rule was allowed so that they could give property away while they're lying there, literally dying on the battlefield. So that's where we take this law from. And it's about the fact that if you call someone towards you on your deathbed, in imminent contemplation of your death, and you tell them that they can have your property, as long as you are in genuine contemplation of your death, in other words, not just feeling a little bit tired or groggy, then what you can do is hand over evidence of the title to that piece of property. It could be keys, it could be logbook to your car, it could be title deeds to your property, especially when it's unregistered land. Registered is a bit more difficult. You can do that as long as it's done with a genuine intention to hand that property over on your death. It means that you don't need the formalities. However, there are a couple of things to note. Firstly, nothing happens until you die. And secondly, even if you die of something that you weren't contemplating, the rule still works. In other words, if you're lying there dying of some terminal disease, you make this gift on your deathbed. The next day you wake up and you feel better, you go for a walk, you get hit by a bus and killed. Firstly, very unlucky, but secondly, the gift still works. You don't actually have to die from the thing you are contemplating. Strange rules. So it is called DMC, Donatio Mortis Causa. It's a gift in contemplation of your death.